let's talk a little bit about the format of the test. As the name suggests, the digital SAT is delivered on a computer. Now, this is different from the way your older siblings or your parents or your grandparents took the test, which was by paper. And this difference really, really matters. For one thing, the test is adaptive. What does that mean? It means it adjusts to your difficulty level. And here's how that works. So let's say you take the first verbal section of the test, and you do pretty darn well on it. If you do really, really well on this first verbal section, the second verbal section is going to be much, much more difficult. We'll call that verbal 2 advanced. If you do so-so on it, the second verbal section is going to be about intermediate level, same as this first one. And if you do very poorly on it, the second verbal section is going to be easier. Now, this might seem cruel and manipulative, but let me make the positive case. On the old version of the SAT by paper, they had to have many, many more questions to gather enough data, right? To measure how well someone understands the material, they need to test a good number of questions. But with this new one, they're able to more quickly get a read on your abilities. And so the test is significantly shorter than it used to be.